A pain journal is a systematic tool to document and track pain experiences. This is essential for individuals dealing with chronic pain and their healthcare providers. The main components of a pain journal include pain intensity, location, description, duration, triggers, alleviating factors, impact on daily activities, medication, and their effects, mood, sleep quality, food and drink, and any other related symptoms. By putting this information on a chronological timeline, it allows for a better understanding of pain patterns, potential triggers, and effective treatments. Understanding the intricacies of your pain can be a challenge, but with a structured approach such as a pain journal, you can decipher your unique pain patterns and work towards effective management strategies. To use our free pain journal, follow these steps. Download our pain journal from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, make regular entries. Record your pain experiences at various times daily or whenever you experience pain. Be as detailed and honest as possible. Next, review and communicate. Review your entries regularly and use this information to communicate effectively with your healthcare provider. Your healthcare provider will use this information to understand your pain patterns, potential triggers, and effective treatments, and what to do from there. Here is a sample of our pain journal, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our pain journal, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.